Hi everyone, and welcome to one of the most fun lessons that we're going to have all year. We are learning about your microscope today, okay? So now even if this is the first time that you get your microscope out and the only time that you get your microscope out all year, that is okay. We just want to make sure that you know all of the parts of your microscope and what you can use them for, okay? This is just a little toy, not is real, but it's a one that's made for small children. My son is 5, and this is his microscope. But K-12 should have sent you another microscope, and that one probably looks something like this, a little bit bigger. Okay, if you haven't received your microscope yet, that's okay. Okay, don't worry, we've got some alternatives and options for you to use within this lesson. Okay. And if you do have your microscope and are struggling to use it, it's okay to ask for help. See if other adults in your home are able to help you with the settings so that you can go back through the lesson and see what you need to see. So the biggest thing here is to just be careful. Be gentle, gentle, gentle with your microscope. I would recommend that if you have your microscope, have it with you as you go through all of the lesson. Especially the section that talks about the groundwork for your microscope. So you're going to navigate into this lesson. Hopefully you're already there because you're watching this video by clicking content, and then you're going to go to the microscope. And so especially have that microscope with you as you go through this part here. Groundwork, learning to use a microscope, okay? Now I have years and years and years of microscope experience. But I still mess up sometimes, and so I need to remind myself to be patient. So definitely try to remind yourself of that as well, and give yourself grace as you learn how to use your microscope, okay? Once you feel good about using it, we do have some really cool things that you can put under your microscope and check that out, okay? So there is cool things right here. And then there's a list here, but get creative. Find something else. Add something else to this list that's not already on there. I encourage you to check it out and then send me an email and tell me what you looked at and what it looked like, okay? Next, we have a really cool simulator for you to check out as well. That's right in there. And definitely make sure you spend some time getting in there and exploring those settings there, okay? There's some explore, and then you can kind of test the options there as well. Okay, there's another short video in the OMS for you to check out. Make sure that you look at it because some of your quiz questions will come from that video, hint, hint, okay? Then there's also a teacher instructional video, and it'll be found right under here, where you're going to see me work through some microscope settings and how I would set it up, okay? And then finally, be sure to check out Class Kick. This is your first lesson in your Unit 2 notebook, so it's a whole new notebook. We're going to have a notebook for every unit. So this is the first assignment that we'll have in Unit 2. Navigate over to that second page and answer the questions there, okay? Remember, I'm checking those assignments before reopening any quiz attempts. All right, good luck, everyone.